Tony's here. We're going to be servicing his hair. So now I'm going to show you how to take the Mono system off his head. We use a remover. You can use citrus or alcohol to do this. So I'm going to be using some spray so it's gentle and we're not pulling his hair. How do you feel?
Yeah, it feels very soft, actually. Okay. Yeah.
You're not hurting or anything, right?
No,
it's very
no.
easy to remove. You can use citrus or alcohol. All you have to do is just spray around.
Yeah, it's very, very comfortable when you...
It's very simple, very easy to remove.
Yeah, pretty soft. Ooh, I'm all again.
So now we are going to take Tony to shampoo his hair.